If you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for assistance, Cyrina really was that kind of missing piece for us.
My name is Marcus Leslie, or also known as Mr. Leslie. I am the founder and co-owner of Mr. Leslie's Cheesecakes.
I'm Kathleen Leslie, of course his wife. I am co-owner of Mr. Leslie's Cheesecakes here in Lansing, Michigan. We sell cheesecakes primarily wholesale to grocers around Lansing and several other mid-Michigan cities. And in addition, we have a retail space here in Lansing, Michigan. When we met Cyrina, we were in a space where we were getting ready to transition from a shared kitchen to our own facility. And meeting Cyrina has given us, she is that real life go-to person that can assist us with the roadmap. So here are your next steps. Instead of us winging it, which we've done for the past almost 6 years now, she's helping us hone in the ideas. She's helping us really formulate the roadmap that's gonna give us continued success.
Yeah. So I mean, from the concept of new ideas to the strategy of how to play out the ideas. So I would say she's a fixer and a strategist. And she has experience in the industry of where we're at and where we're going to. So that's invaluable for a business like ours.
She's easy to work with. So I mean, she is easy to talk to, very approachable, and she learns about your business, and then she helps you with the steps and everything that you need to put those things into place.
Yeah, she's not cookie cutter.
Not at all. She has given us her time, which is absolutely invaluable at this point, and she has just been a real asset to Marcus and myself. Someone who we could tangibly look at and grab their time right away and say, hey, what do you think about this? So Cyrina's just been that person for us.